He said, because he loved me so, because he loved me so, he died.
Mina ngiyi-1 bayi-10 ngaba-slice mawunempi 11.
Minutes Mfundisi Esele, I would like to prick your brain on leadership ngalu Omotoso. I'm saying obviously congregants nani in as much as umuntu ekufile na umthathi loya Mr umthathu Mrs. So nango ku Omotoso, what's your view Mfundisi as a man of cloth on the issue, on the case ka Omotoso?
Yeah, it's very difficult because, you know, if you're a political leader or politician or a great leader, they will send women.
Yeah.
Yabona namanje kunamapuni engiwatholile kunemakhekhe engiwanikwayo.
Akusendele inguni Mfundisi.
Umuntu athi bheka ngishayivile awuzongiqedelela. Ulingeke.
Ayi ngiyi-1 bayi-10. Hey!
Mina ngiyaba slice. Ngivele ngishaye ngecurrent ngiya-understanda into engaka kunamuntu ongakunika free.
Hey Mfundisi.
Uyabona inkinga with ama-leaders.
Yeah.
Bazothumela and bahle labantu angazi yini into especial ama-yellow bone and brown skin ngathi now yellow and lento yehlisa isithunzi sama-yellow bone because manje ingathi yibo abantu yabo
Balenda abaflex ngale.
yeah bakuthumela lezo zinto lezo. So inkinga ebakhona I don't believe all these charges are truth. Abanye they fell in love, abanye bas walingeka wangena. Nakathi uyaphuma kwangasaphumeki ke bamshaya. Kwezinye kungenzeka ukuthi uzenzile.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
So Pastor Mboro finds himself trending again there on TikTok after his much watched interview on this podcast with Scheme GP. He finds himself defending, of course, Timothy Omotoso, the pedophilic Nigerian televangelist who lived in South Africa and who had been, sexually assaulting his congregants, his female congregants as young as from the ages of, 12. Well, Pastor Mboro finds himself defending Timothy Omotoso, and people are actually fuming at him for even suggesting that maybe Timothy Omotoso was seduced by those people who came forward to say that Timothy Omotoso S8 them. And I'm sure you heard that lame, pathetic, and sick and twisted excuse that Mboro gave when he said that, as a leader, he finds himself with finding these steamy DMs from ladies showing him, their body parts, stuff like this. And people were saying, Mboro, okay, you are a man of God. How about, him or Omotoso having a bit of integrity by not allowing whatever situation could have triggered him to do those sick and pathetic and pedophilic things that he did to those, young girls. And Mboro Oti, maybe Timothy Omotoso was tempted, just maybe. Now, he says that he too also receives a lot of nudes from women, tempting news from women, but he says that, for him, he just turns a blind eye. But had it been just an ordinary man out there, maybe that guy could possibly be tempted to do, things that he shouldn't have. Now, what actually made people angry was the fact that he defended Timothy Omotoso, saying that maybe he got tempted along the way. They were saying that that does not give Timothy Omotoso an excuse to sexually abuse, young girls. I mean, there are multiple of young girls who came out to reveal that Timothy Omotoso had been doing that to them. Now, despite him being released, despite Omotoso being released and freed, there are young girls out there who have been left with emotional scars from that man. Now, just last week, the court in South Africa instructed Omotoso to leave the country back into his home country of Nigeria, and they have banned him into entering the country. Banned him for over 8 years from entering South Africa, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.